Hi, I'm Louis,
And I'm Sophia.
and we're the husband and wife duo behind the streetwear brand Kinfold.
Kinfold sits at the intersection between gaming and pop culture. We specialize in producing collectibles and single batch produced apparel.
Mobility is important to me because work doesn't simply start and end at my desk. When I'm working with a client on site or drafting an initial concept, I rely on all my applications running just as if I was at a desktop PC, without the worry of running out of juice. The ROG Flow X13 and the AMD Ryzen 9 5980HS processor gives me the ability to bounce back and forth between applications without skipping a beat. Being able to present my part of the process while in tablet mode makes handing over the designs to my wife a breeze.
Once Louis has fleshed out the idea, I bring it to life by adding in the details and giving the final design a level of polish people have come to expect from Kinfold. It's important for me to have a robust machine that can work with me during my 9 to 5. And right into recoloring, designing, and gaming from time to time. The ROG Flow X13 is a formidable laptop, and when paired with the XG Mobile, transforms into a powerhouse gaming PC, giving us higher frames in all our favorite titles.
Sometimes we need more space and power for work than a single display can provide. The XG Mobile boasts additional HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.2 ports, allowing me to use up to 4 external monitors for whatever we need. Our multitasking workflow in hardware-intensive programs is seamless with the boost from the XG Mobile. Once we wind down from Kinfold, we like to play games and watch our favorite streamers together. And this laptop makes it easy to transition from our workflow to gaming. After all, gaming and the community around us is where we ultimately draw our inspirations from.
No matter your passion,
Go with the flow.